So no yard to be complete without some perfectly straight lines on your garden bed. So the way I get mine is I just put a draw line. So I take this line with a couple spikes tied to the end and put it on. And I just follow it with my half moon shovel. If I really want to get particular, which I always do, I measure it up, and go a certain amount away from the house. Now on this day it was super hot, so the ground was a little bit caked. So I just watered it in to make it a little bit more loose. And then you go around and you follow that line. Now this tool that I'm showing you here, how many of you know what this tool is? If you know what this tool is, put it in the comments. But at the end of the video, you're gonna see the different names for that tool. You have other names that tool is called, but I'll tell you what, this tool is great for having around your garden beds and flower beds. Once I made that cut with the half moon, I take this tool and I just dig right up under there and it pulls right up. Look at those deep, nice edges. Perfectly straight. I mean, crisp, clean cut edges with a perfectly manicured line you cannot beat. Got my drip irrigation, I redid it. So I added a new manifold and some drip lines. Came out perfect. Look at those stripes. The greenery color is starting to hit just right. This has been the Line Jenkins. Thanks for stopping by.